Hello everyone, I am Chahat. Today we are going to cover HTML introduction. For example, we are going to cover what is HTML, what is text editor, what is web browser, website, web page, static and dynamic web pages. Then we will see what are tags, what is container tag, what is empty tag. And in the journey, there are two brilliant girls that gonna help me. One is Anushka Sharma and second is Vanishka Singh. So I just hope you will have your concepts clear. So over to you, Anshika. You can begin now.
Hello everyone, this is Vanchika Singh, a student of Class 8 Alpha of MRA DAV Public School. I am here to present my screen and make you understand the topic HTML. So let's start. Yes, there we go. This is my slide on HTML. As we all are familiar with HTML, HTML, or we can say hypertext markup language, is a form of standard markup language used for documents designed to be displayed in a web browser. We can also define it as a code which helps us to build a web page of our own. Designing a website. For designing a website, we basically need the two modes, that are the text editor to type the HTML program and a web browser to view the results. So let's begin. The first comes is text editor. It's a word processing program that is used to type and edit an HTML program. For example, Notepad for Windows and Gedit for Linux. Linux is an open source operating system. The mostly used editor is Notepad. Microsoft FrontPage and Adobe Dreamweaver are some other softwares that generate HTML code automatically. Microsoft FrontPage is also known as WYSIWYG editor, means what you see is what you get. Now comes a web browser. Web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web, or its acronym is WWW. For example, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc. Tim Berners-Lee. I hope you have heard his name. He is popularly known as the father of World Wide Web, who created the first web browser in 1990. You know that web browsers also contain web pages. We are going to study about them in our next slide. Web pages are divided into two parts. The first is the static web page. It's a web page which never changes its information or data stored in it. We may imagine it as a page of a book which never changes with time. Dynamic web page. We may define this web page as an opposite web page of static web page, as the information or data stored in it is how to save your created file having command. There is nothing to worry about it. It is as same as we save our drawings when we paint on the painting app in our PCs. Just follow the following steps. Click on File and then click on Save As. The Save As dialog box will appear. Choose the desired location for saving your file. Type the file name as a .html or htms. Click the Save button. Congrats! Congrats! You have saved your file successfully. How will I see my created web page? Is the next question will arise in our mind. I'll tell you some easy steps. Open Internet Explorer by clicking on Start, All Programs, and then Internet Explorer. Click on the File menu and select the Open option. Choose the path where you have saved your HTML document file. Click on the Open button and click OK in the Open dialog box. Hooray! You are able to see your web page now. But we don't understand anything until unless we do a practical observation. So let's see the practical observation. These are the tags. First we start the HTML tag. We always start a tag with angular bracket and end it with angular bracket slash. First we write HTML. Then we'll write the head, as a human is having head and body. In head, we'll write title. You may write title like I wrote my first program. And then body. Body is the part where you write the main part of your website. As I wrote hello, you can see. Then close the body, then close title, and then close head. See, wherever we are closing, we put slash title slash head and slash html. Now I'm
Vanshika,
going to.
just wait,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
can you find the error in this text? There is error.
Sorry, ma'am.
There is one mistake. Can you find it out? Just see
No,
your
ma'am.
code once again. Okay, you
Mm,
are a human being, right?
yes,
First your
ma'am.
head starts, then your head ends. Then your body starts, and then your body ends.
Yes, ma'am.
First your head starts, then your head ends, then your body starts, and then your body ends. And in your face, that is in your head, there is a name hidden, right? For example, if I will say your see your face, I can tell yes, you are Vanshika, right? Same
Yes,
way in
ma'am.
HTML tag, in the head, title is there. So in between the head tag, starting and ending tag, there is a title. पर आपने
Yes,
title
ma'am.
not corrected.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
And in title, we are going to write the title of our website, or we can say the name of our website. As I'm writing my first web. Yes, ma'am.
Still there is error. Check for it. बच्चा इट डजेंट मैटर. आप अगर सारे एक ही लाइन में सारा कोड लिख दोगे तब भी वो मैटर नहीं करता. कुछ और एरर है. जस्ट चेक फॉर इट. You have closed title tag twice.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it is perfectly fine. First you start the HTML tag and closes the HTML tag at the last. Now in between the HTML tag, there is two things. First is your head and second is your body. In your head, you start your head, then you close, then you start your body and then you close, right? And in your head, you will write your title, right? Now it is perfectly fine. Now you can save it.
Yes, now our file has been saved successfully.
But you
So
give a
now
name
we'll.
also. You just save it with .html. Just give it a name also.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the notepad again. Go to
Yes, ma'am.
file. Click on save as. Yes. Now you can save your file anywhere. Now she is saving her file in desktop. So she is giving my first website. No space should be there. And then last में extension क्या use होती है बच्चा? Vanshika, what we use for extension?
Ma'am, dot html.
Okay. .html or .htm, both will work fine. So click on save and now you can run it. As she has saved it on desktop, she is just double clicking on it, and now you can see. Now you can explain, Vanshika.
As in the title we wrote my first website, so you can see that on the toolbar we can see my first website as the title, and in body we just wrote hello. So whole this part is the body for making website. So whatever you will write in the body, that will appear here. So now it moves to Anushka.
Anushka, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bacha, continue.
Okay. Yes,
You are not visible.
I
Please turn
am
on your camera.
I Anushka Sharma. of- Yes, ma'am. So I am Anushka Sharma of Class 8 ETA of MRA DAV Public School is going to tell you about HTML tags. So let's start.
Okay, Anushka, I want to ask one question. As HTML full form is hypertext markup language, right? What do you understand by markup language?
Yes, ma'am. Markup language is a language that Ma'am, markup language is a language that we use in computers that we use in computers to write, which is very important for writing in computers.
No, but a tags, okay, okay, you are perfectly right with this. Markup language is that language that uses tags to define the elements, right? And now she is going to tell you about HTML tags. So carry on, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. As I've already learned about what is a website and how to make a website, as Vanshika told us now we are going to discuss about HTML tags that are very necessary for making a website. So you might be thinking that what are HTML tags? In simple words, they are simple commands which are used to instruct a web browser about how the web page should look alike. There are two types of tags mainly, which are container tags and empty tags. First, we are going to discuss about container
Just,
tags.
just wait, Anushka. Can you go to your previous slide? Okay. Now I want to ask from the audience, name three web browsers.
Uh, so the three web browsers are, we can say, Google Chrome, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and Mozilla Firefox.
Very good, Vanshika. Anyone who can name three websites? Any three websites? Anyone from Angel, Arshia? Name of three websites. Yes, Arshia?
Mozilla Firefox.
No. Bacha, there is a difference between a web browser and a website. Web browser is something where you open the websites, right?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
davcmc.com.
Okay, very good, Anushka.
I'm Amazon.com and YouTube.com.
Yes, perfect.
Ma'am, facebook.com, twitter.com.
Okay, okay, great. So these all are websites. And where we open the websites? On the web browser. Okay. Okay, now you can continue, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. So, now we are going to discuss about container tags. As the name suggests, container tags are the tags which can contain text or tags. Code Spinet uses it is the Code Spinet used in web development. It removes the need for multiple data tracking codes being placed directly on the site. That means it is a very easy method. One code is placed on every page. So now coming over to the types of container tags. There are four types of container tags, that are HTML tags, head tags, body tags, and title tags. Now we are going to discuss them one by one. The first one is HTML tag. It represents the root of HTML document. It is the container of all the HTML element. It is having two sections, that is head and body. Means the website which we are creating in Notepad is starting with HTML and ending with HTML. Now coming over to body tags. It contains all the documents or all the text which is in our body. There is only one document body here. It contains all the text, images, or any text or any document which you are attaching with it. Now coming over to title tags. It is used inside the head tag to mention the title. It appears on the title bar and never in the screen, behind the screen, in between the screen. It is always in the title bar or in the upper side of the notepad. Coming over to head tag, it is the first element in HTML tag. It includes a title for the text. That means title tag is included in the head tag. When we write it, then head tag includes the title tag and the title too. Head tag never contains a text. It is also only having a title. Now I'm going to show you something here when I created my first web page. This is the title. This is the title tag. Here you can see this is the body tag. This is the head tag. Now here you can see the head tag started here and head tag ended here. The title is between the head tag, here and here. So now you can see that our head tag include the title tag and our head tag includes the title tag and the title. This is our HTML tag which starts here and it ends here. Our body tag, see, this is a body. Here it contains all the documents and here it ends. This is also a tag. It is called paragraph tag, which helps us to move on to the next paragraph. Your head tag starts here and ends here. Your title tag starts here and it ends here. So I hope you will now able to understand it properly. Now, can you please tell me what are these? Which image come in your mind when you see this picture?
It's a picture of a tag.
Okay, very good. These are the picture of tags. Anything that come up in your mind from the audience?
Empty tag. Which anything is not written in this.
Okay,
Yes,
anything
you
else?
are right.
Okay, so Vanshika, you are right. These are
Empty tags.
Empty tags.
You all have given a right answer for my question, and This is an empty tag. Now the second type of tags are empty tags. It is simply the tag which we are having in which there is no content or any tag is not there in the empty tags. Line of code stands alone and is not closed with slash characters. Empty tags are used to insert images, lists, breaks, meta tags, horizontal rules, and hyperlinks. So I hope you will be clear with this empty tags now. Can anyone tell me what are these empty tags?
Any example of empty tag if you know? Okay, you
So
can
here is one
continue on it.
example. So here is one example with you of an empty tag. Now, here I wanted to show you that see, we are not having any here the angular bracket is there, but there is no tag between the angular brackets. And you can see there is no text like we were having in our um, uh, in our uh, previous slide, that it is not having any of the content. You can see that these are only having some text, they are having only some tags between them, but they are not the tags that are used in the container tags. Now, coming over to the difference between container
Anushka,
tags and empty tags.
Anushka, can you just go to the previous slide, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Which are the empty tags?
Ma'am, these all are the empty tags. This is an example of empty tag.
No.
Ma'am, here it is an empty tag.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Ma'am, here it is an empty tag.
Mm-hmm. No. You misunderstood the concept of empty tag. Empty tag is that tag that doesn't have an ending tag. There is only one tag that is starting tag and there is no ending tag for an empty tag. Okay, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am.
We will see it. Okay? Do not worry. These examples are not correct. Just go to the next slide. We will say it after you done with your presenting. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Now coming over to the difference between container tags and empty tags. I hope you'll be clear with the difference, but I just want to discuss it with you all. So, container tags. They contain text or other tags. That mean they are having text and tags that we already discussed, that are head tag, body tag, title tag, etc. Empty tags do not contain any of the text or tags. They are not having any of the tags and text between them. Container tags. They consist of a start tag and an end tag. That means like we are going to do a practical here so that you are clear with the container tag and empty tag too, and we are going to first angular bracket, then HTML. Now what we are going to do, now we are going to write head. Now the head closes. Now we are going to write our for our title. We are going to write first of all
Anushka,
title.
Anushka, can I
Yes, ma'am.
suggest one thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, it is a good practice. If it is a container tag, then write both the things, starting tag and ending tag at the same time. Because sometimes we just forgot to end the tags. When the code is very big, we just forgot which container tag we have started. So it is a good practice to close that tag at the same time as you open it. So just remove title and head from there and close the HTML tag and write in between it. Just delete the title also. Now write in between the starting and the ending tag. Okay, just have an enter. One more enter can be there. Yes, now you can write in between it.
So now we are going to write head. We are going to start the head. Then in the next line, we are going to start the title. Now
Just wait,
remember,
just
we
wait,
are,
just wait.
yes,
Head
ma'am,
is a
we are,
container tag.
yes, ma'am. We are going to end the container tag again, and in between we are again going to press enter and again and enter, and now we are going to write a title here. Now this I wanted to show you that I told you that head, in head tag always the title is written. So now here we are going to put the title tag. Now we are going to close the title tag. So now here I have closed the title tag. Now I'm going to write here my title between the title and starts, and between the titles ends. So I'm going to write here my first web page. So now here my title is completed and head is also completed. Now
No,
I'm
there is
going to
one
write,
error. There is
yes
one
ma'am.
error. Just search for it. What is the error?
Ma'am, is it okay now?
No.
Okay, I got it.
Yes,
Ma'am, is
now
it
it is
okay now?
perfect. Perfect.
Yes, ma'am. So now we are going to come over the body. So here, see, here after title and head, we are going to write body. So here I have written
You can use that code
body.
only, Bacha. Anushka, there is no need to write the whole code. You can use that code only.
Yes, ma'am. So here we can see I have got a body. Then I have written this is my first web page. This content that and here I'm underlining. This is a body. This is written in the body tag, and this is all the documents. You can also add some pictures, documents, etc. in this body tag. And here, after writing my content, my body tag ends here, and at last my HTML ends tag also ends. So it was in practical for our container tags. So now, coming over to the differences between container tags and empty tags. So, as I already told you, they contain a text or other tags. Empty tags do not contain any text. Container tags consist of a start tag and an end tag. Empty tags do not have an end tag, but they can have a start tag. And the third difference between container tag is the container tag that begins with I showed you in the practical, that is here it is angular brackets, then it is what beside it like a head, body, etc., and then angular bracket closes, and the end tags begins with angular bracket slash, then we are having our word that we are writing this inside it, and then angular bracket closes. But here in this empty tags, it do not it never ends with slash, as it do not have an end tag, and it never ends like this with a slash and something like here. And angular brackets are used when in the there is no end tag and there is no slash used in the start tag. So now coming over to this picture again, I hope you are familiar with this. So see here, I want to show you this. We are going to recapitulating it again. Here this is the title. The title ends. The title starts. The title ends. Head starts. Title is between. Head ends. HTML starts. Here HTML ends. Remember, your HTML tag is always in the beginning and in the ending of the web page that you are creating. Here's the body tag, and after that it is our body that we are using here, that we need to write in our website, and here our body ends. So I hope you will be now able to make a difference between container tags, empty tags, and now will be able to also make difference between these four tags.
Just wait, Anushka.
Yes, ma'am.
Go to Notepad.
Yes, ma'am.
The one that has content in the body also.
Ma'am, can you please repeat what you're saying?
Open that Notepad in which the body is also there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Remove the paragraph tags. No. Just wait. Control plus Z. Control plus Z.
Yes, ma'am.
Again. Okay.
Is it okay now, ma'am?
Yes, it is perfect. Now just run it. Save it first. Control plus S. But you go to file. Go to file. Just wait. Go to file. Save as. Go to save as. Remove the space between first and dot. Listen to the instructions carefully. Go to file. Then go to save as. Do not have that space over there. Now click on save. Yes. Make it a habit to do not have spaces in your filing. Okay. Now go to
Yes.
desktop. And run this.
Here you can see this.
Explain.
When I remove the paragraph tags here, now you can see my document that I added, my text, that is all in one line, and it is not having any paragraphs. But when I used paragraph tags, then my paragraph changed when I wanted to change it. So it is a
Okay.
difference between.
Now insert paragraph tags.
Ma'am, can you please repeat?
Now insert paragraph tag in the code.
Yes, ma'am. So here I'm going to insert the paragraph tags here, and here.
But
So
a
now we.
paragraph tag, just listen to me, Anushka. Paragraph tag is a container tag or empty tag. I'm
Yes, ma'am.
asking, I'm asking you, paragraph tag is container or empty.
Ma'am, container tag.
So a container tag has starting as well as ending tag. Where is the ending tag of the first paragraph tag? Now it is perfectly fine. Run this code. Just click on Control plus S this time. No need to
Yes, ma'am.
go to Save As. Control plus S. Go to Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome directly.
So here now you can see that my text that I typed was converted into tags now here. First, as we have seen here, see, this was not in any paragraphs, it was just in a line. When we turn the paragraph text, this convert into many paragraphs. I have used three paragraphs. So see, they have been converted into three paragraphs, 1, 2, and 3. So if we do not use paragraph tags, our text is remained in one line only. But if we use paragraph tags, then our text can be in the form of paragraphs too. So
And
now
Anushka, just Anushka, see one more thing. The content is in a single line only. In paragraph also, the content is in single line, but the content that you written in the notepad has lines in it, right? For example, go to notepad. Go to notepad.
yes, ma'am.
See, you have written, where is the paragraph tags, bacha?
Ma'am, I think it's not that one. 1 minute.
Just open that one. First.html.
Ma'am, I saved them, but it is not coming here.
You are opening with the space one. Close this. Close this. There is, just wait. Okay. First.html. Okay, no problem, bacha. Write paragraph tags again. Do not close this. Do not close this. Listen to the instructions carefully, Anushka. Do not be in hurry. Share your screen.
Ma'am, I shared my screen. Oh, 1 minute, ma'am.
Unmute yourself.
I'm sorry, but I left the meeting. I need to join it again.
Okay, bacha, no problem. Okay, so let us see one concept over here. When Anushka write the code without the paragraph tags, what happened? All the code was in single paragraph without any lines and without any paragraphs, right? It was in a one paragraph in one go. But when Anushka inserts the paragraph tags, what happened? There is one line space between the different paragraphs. In between the paragraph 1 and 2, there is a line, empty line is there, right? In paragraph 2 and 3, in between paragraph 2 and 3, there is also an empty line. But in paragraph 2, you have seen that there are not lines, right? There is a single line that was there. But what if I want in a paragraph the content to be in lines? Then we use the break tag. Then we use break tag. And break tag is an empty tag. And that we will see right now. So now we can see the Anushka screen. Anushka, listen to me carefully, bacha. Go to Chrome.
Yes.
Just go to Chrome. Open the Chrome from the taskbar. Yes. Now there is no pages there. Just save that notepad page. Go to notepad. Save it. Control plus S. Do not write paragraph tags. Do not write
Yes.
paragraph tags. Save it.
Ma'am, say.
Now run it. Do not close it. Anushka, now you are opening the first .html program.
Yes, ma'am.
Close this. Close this. Close everything. Go to Notepad. Open this. Maximize it. Go to File. Go to File. Save as. Save as. Change the file name. Now write. Change the file name, बच्चा. First की जगह लिखो. Write anything. Write your name. Anushka.html. Yes, save it. Now, Control plus S again. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now run it. Done it.
Where is it? Ma'am, now it has come.
Yes. Now go to Notepad. You have closed the Notepad again. Do not open the first. Open Anushka.html. It is on the desktop. Search for it. Okay, no problem. Open Notepad, empty Notepad. Control plus O. Control plus O. Search
Yes.
Anushka. Anushka.html. Open it.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Now do not close this. Write paragraph tags. As paragraph tag is container tag, we will write open as well as starting and ending tag, both the tags. Okay, this is paragraph 1. Now paragraph 2. Explain, Anushka.
So here we have first we have marked paragraph tag. Then here we have marked ending of the paragraph tag. Then we have started a new paragraph, so we are going to again put a new paragraph tag, and then we are going to again end the new paragraph which we started, and with slash we are going to end it. So here I have ended it, and now we are going to save it.
Control plus S से सेव होता है बच्चा. Yes.
When I played it, now I'm going to open.
No, do not refresh it. Do not refresh it.
No, ma'am, I didn't.
Okay.
So now, when I have
But I
saved
didn't
it,
see the output. Yes.
so ma'am, here the paragraphs are again made.
Okay, very
Whereas,
good.
whereas in this one they weren't made, as we did not use paragraph tags. But in the next, when we use paragraph tags, the paragraphs were made where we wanted and where we didn't want it.
Very good, Anushka. Now again go to Notepad.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
insert break tag. For break tag, bacha, after every line, just write BR in angular brackets. After in paragraph 1, just listen to me, Anushka. Anushka, listen to me. Yes. In paragraph 1, right? In the first line, write BR break in angular brackets.
Ma'am,
Yes,
here?
yes. Because you want it to be in lines now. So you will
Yes, ma'am.
write BR. In the second line also, at the last of second line, same. Third line. See, as break is an empty tag, it only requires the starting tag. It doesn't require an ending tag.
Excuse
Okay?
me, ma'am.
Yes, Vanshika?
And why break tag is an empty tag?
Bacha, because there are two types of tags. Some are container tags and some are empty tags. As break doesn't need any kind of attributes in it, any kinds of content in it. It is just an instruction that we want to give to our website that there should be a line break. That is why there is no ending tag. Such as in paragraph tag, if we want to write something in paragraph tag, right? That is why it contains something and therefore it is known as container tag. But in breaking the line. Okay. Now Anushka, over to
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I have added BR everywhere. So now I'm again going to open my website, and now where we can see that everyone has gotten every line.
Very good, Anushka. Now you can go on with your PPT.
Yes, ma'am. So So here we are going to discuss about some of the HTML tags that are container tags and non-container tags. Here non-container tags means empty tags. So here as we have used here BR tag we used
That
here,
is break tag.
that is also, that is a break tag is also a empty tag, and here paragraph tag which we use is also an empty tag. Container tags also mean paired tags, and non-container tags means non-paired tags.
Okay, Anushka, one question. Paragraph tag is container tag or empty tag?
Ma'am, container tag.
Okay, bacha.
So now we are going to revise as we are over with the chapter. We are going to revise about what we learned today. So my first question for you is name any two container tags. For answering my question, I would like to ask uh, Ellen.
Ellen, unmute yourself, bacha. Ellen, are you there?
Angel, then you can answer.
Audible?
Alan, please tell what are the two container tags.
Okay, the two container tags are,
Me
uh,
too.
I have to give example.
Yes, you can explain also, but if you don't want to, you can.
Example.
Yes, like we discussed about four type of container tags. Any two of them.
Okay, like we have to give angular bracket and then P, then angular bracket close, then angular bracket starts, then slash P and angular bracket close.
Yes, you are right. So my next question for you is define empty tags. For this question, I would like to ask Vanshika.
So, okay, Anushka, empty tags are the tags which do not contain any text. They just give command as you used in your paragraph tag. You just remove that, and after each line you wrote break tag. So it was an empty tag. It just gave command to break each line into different parts.
You're absolutely right, Vanshika. So, my next question for you is what is the main difference between a head and a body tags? So, for this question, I would like to ask Arshia.
Arshia is not here, bacha.
Okay,
May I
ma'am.
answer, Anushka?
Yes, Vanshika, you can.
Okay, so the main difference between the head tag is that head tag is typically used to import other files and define attributes of your page that are not displayed like metadata. The body tag is where you place the parts of your website that you want displayed, like we can say the paragraph tag. I think is a body
Yes,
tag.
yes, you're right. I want to again tell you about hidden body tags. So we are going to move back to the that slide. So here, head tag is the first element in HTML tag. It includes a little for the text, a title for the text, and it contains no text. But in body tags, the main difference is that it contains tag. Tags contains text, but head tag do not contain any of the text. So it is the main difference between them. Okay, so my next question is, I want to ask this from Angel, that you have to name the following in the next picture. Angel, are you there?
Yes, Anushka.
Can you please tell me what the first arrow in the picture, in the beginning of the picture, which tag is it?
I think it is head tag.
Oh, 1 minute. I will this one, this one.
It's HTML.
Yes, it's HTML tag. For the next question, I would like to ask, Aline, what is this tag known as?
Is it body tag?
Yes, you're right. It's body tag.
Okay,
Now
Ellen,
I want to ask this from
Ellen.
Vanshika. That what is this all that we are seeing this paragraph in the this picture?
Anushka, it is the text written in the between the body tag, or we can say it is the body of the website you made.
Yes, you are right. It is the body or the text which we want to write in for the web in the website. So I hope you have liked my effort and my PPT, and I hope please forgive me if I have done anything wrong. And so thank you and good evening.
Okay, Anushka and Vanshika, you both have explained the concepts very, very clearly and very best for your future to both of you. And thank you, Ellen, Anjal, and Arshia for being the audience.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
welcome, Bacha.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, if you still
And
have
ma'am, even I want to say sorry that if there was any mistake in my PPT and all, even I want to say.